I'm Roger Blowes, and I'm the Secretary of the Broomfield House Trust, and our focus of interest is the future of Broomfield House. It's sat here, partly burnt out, for the past quarter century. It sits in a handsome park with lakes and trees and bird life. It's covered by a covenant which protects the park for public use and prevents commercial development or trade within the park. And this is one of the problems, so to say, for anyone who wants to see the house rebuilt. The Trust certainly wants to see the house returned to community use, and the Council's latest scheme is to restore the house using money from the Mayor of London, and in return to create a set of sheltered housing units both in the house and in the stable yard over there. The scheme, as the Trust has had it explained to it, includes the provision of a cafeteria and a community room. Now, this is fine, but we don't think that the Council has thought about this from the community's point of view. Of course, it wants to see how restoration could be paid for, but it's not started from, in our view, the right point. It should have started from how can we remake a community asset, and how can we pay for it. Instead, they've latched onto a scheme which may bring in some money at a very, very tiny concession to the community's interests. If there were reasonable community space in the house, it could be used for a whole range of activities: artistic display, meetings, dancing, music, you name it. And we think after 25 years, this part of the borough deserves something like that.